Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. Hope you're having a busting day, and today we're going to be talking about E34 touring plinths, M5 plinths, proper M5 plinths like you get on a saloon. Now, for one to get on a saloon, I like these. They are formed, and the ones that you get on a touring are normally just a strip of nothing. They've got no mould, no form to them, and most people just paint them on. But a lot of people want these for proper saloon toy plinths for a touring, but BMW simply never ever made them. And these, the saloon ones, are on back order now from BMW. So these now are on limited stock. But now there's no more in the UK of these. When you order one now, you have to order one now from Germany. So that is a loom one, and this is a touring one. This is ice. It's formed. And this is the touring one, and this is the loom one. And Dad said this because he had this for Valentine's Day after Mum. If this would have come in a BMW wrapper, he'd have thought this was from BMW. Obviously now it's a touring one, you can't get it from BMW. But that's how good the quality is. These are made by BMWs, small company for car guys, run by car guys. I had nothing but good things to say about them. They sent me a tracking number, I was able to track it. Really upfront company, love them. If I need anything like this again, I'll wouldn't think twice about using BMWs. There's a few other bits that I like from BMWs that I'm thinking about getting. And this is the original loom one, and this is the touring one. This is a BMW Auto, this is a BMW Auto. Now, like I was saying, BMW did not make a loon type plinth for the M5 for a touring. Just got like a black. So most people paint them on. I'd rather paint them on for this. But this is definitely the option. This is cool. This is like a loon one. It's cool. Let's offer it up. Now, as you can see, it fits there on top like that, and the fit is bang on when the number plate's been removed. That's nice. You've still got access to all the buttons. It's cool, that is. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, you might be asking why didn't we fit this? Well, the car needs painting, if I'm honest. It needs a bit of welding done. It'll be like putting new window wipers on a broken window screen. A bit pointless. So that's why it had been fitted. If you did notice for black before, that was the only way before this was being made that you could get the M5 look, that sporty look at the back. But now, BMW are making this. Now, I don't pay for it. Mum brought this for Dad for Valentine's Day. We was not endorsed, we have not been endorsed. We brought this because we liked it. Well, Mum did. Mum says to me, get something for Dad for Valentine's Day. This popped up in one of the Facebook forums, BMW E34, E32, Orange Club UK. I thought, oh, Dad would like that. I was quite interested as well because I'd never seen anything like this. I ordered it, got a separate tracking number, tracked it all the way from Poland, and here we am now, making this video because I quite like this product. I'm happy that somebody stepped up and made these. So if you do want a touring Plinth, a proper one, a proper Hecker blend, Plinth, cover, beamer bits. And if you really want one, go over there now, because from now, the point of this video being uploaded, there is 50% off Hecker blends for the E34 touring. So at this point I want to say thanks for watching. I hope you're having a busting day, busting night, busting morning. I just hope you're having a busting time. But until next time, bye bye.